Okay friends, so welcome to a new video on Win versus Droid, and today we have something special from AliExpress. So let's do the unboxing. Nothing else inside. So this is the thing. It's a gaming controller, a Bluetooth gaming controller compatible with iOS, Android and PC, and it has a Bluetooth gamepad as well as it has a selfie shutter function. So it acts as a remote for selfies, and it can be used for mobile phone, MID, TV box, PC, gamepad, wireless mouse. It can also act as a mouse, I guess. Music and all that stuff. Most of the stuff is written in Chinese. Mobile. Okay, so if you scan this, you get some game. It's rechargeable since it runs on Bluetooth. It needs to be recharged. It can act as a wireless mouse. That's what this is. Then it has a music control, game control, and selfie shutter. So decent, quite useful device. And at the back it says some specs. You can pause it and read this. Now let's do the unboxing real quick. I ordered this thing on 23rd October and today is 18th November, so almost it took 25 days. Let me just open the product page. Okay, and the price I paid for this was 3.98, that's $4. Comes with a user manual in English. Yeah, it's in English, so that's good. You get different modes and all that stuff. Now I'll make a separate review for this if possible. This is just an unboxing video. And finally, this is the product, quite tiny. This is the back side, I guess. You have a reset button inside. You can reset it here. You have a micro USB charging port at the bottom. Nothing on the sides. You have a on off button, I guess, or maybe it would be a mode changing. It's a game key. It says a game key, so maybe it would, I have no idea what's that for at present. And this is the start button actually. On off button is this one. This is the selfie button, I guess. It does have that feel of a gamepad. So it feels nice. And these are the four buttons. You also have an indicator over here. So when you start this, let's start it. So it's start blinking, and I guess you need to connect it to your phone. I have an Android over here. Let's try and connect it. Bluetooth. Let's see if it has connected. Now that's my Bluetooth speaker, SL Microcube. So it has not yet detected it. and it says some number 2015 10 6 11 1B. Let's see if that's the device. Yeah, now it says gamepad and it's pairing, so it has connected and the light has stopped blinking. Let's see if mouse, it acts as a mouse. So you can see guys, this thing has acts as a mouse. Oops. Wow, that's nice. So that's great guys. I hope you can see how it's moving around. Let's select. This is the select button X. How to go back? Okay, so this is the back button. These two don't work. So that's a great device. I didn't expect it to be that good. So I'll test it for a few more days, this Bluetooth device, and make a review for you if possible. If you there's something that you want to know more about this device, then do let me know in the comment section. So I'll try to include that in the review, if in the possible review video. And that's it for this video guys. Thank you very much for watching. Do share this video and have a nice day.